Mongolia is located between Russia to the north and China to the south, deep within the interior of the Eastern Asia, far from any ocean. Mongolia is largely a plateau with an average elevation of about 5,180 feet, that is 1,580 meters above the sea level. The highest peaks are in the Mongolian Altai Mountains, Mongol Altai Nuru. In the southwest, a branch of Altai Mountains system. The country has marked continental climate with long cold winters and short cold hot summers. Its remarkable variety of scenery consists of largely of upland steppes, semi-deserts and deserts, although in the west and north forest, high mountain ranges alternate with lake-dotted basins. Some 3/4 of Mongolia area consists of pasture lands, which is very important for the livelihood of cattle and others, which support the immense herds of grazing livestock for which the country is known. The remaining area is about equally divided between forests and barren deserts, with fraction of the land under crops. With a total population of fewer than 3 million, Mongolia has one of the lowest average population densities of any country in the world. Well, friends, I would like to divert your attention towards the Mongols, the barbarians, the Mongolian Empire. Who were the Mongols? The Mongols were a nomadic tribe centrally located in Central Asia. They were known as barbarians throughout landmass of Eurasia and were known for killing hundreds of people, hundreds and thousands of people. Genghis Khan was a predominant role in the history of Mongolia. Life's greatest joy is to scatter your enemies and drive them before you, to see their cities reduced to ashes, to see those who love them shrouded and in tears, and to then gather to your bosom their wives and daughters. Genghis Khan. These are the words by Genghis Khan. My dear friends, I would like to divert your attention towards the Mongol Empire. Asia is the important area that is important to discuss about the Mongolian history. Let us continue. Mongols, the barbarians in the Mongolian Empire. The Mongols were semi-nomadic tribes, as I told you. They were known as the barbarians throughout the landmass of Eurasia and were known for killing hundreds of thousands of people in their wars, in their invasion. The history record says from Roman Empire to Crusades and Ayyubid Sultanate, Mamluk Sultanate and Mongols. Mongols comes under the 1200 to 1250. Yuan dynasty, Genghis Khan's military campaigns 1207, Kublai Khan issued first paper money 1260, 1271 society divided into 4 classes. Kublai Khan first attempt invade Japan failed in 1274, 1279, all of China under Mongol rule. Marco Polo travels in China around 1275 to 1292. Let us discuss about Marco Polo in the next forthcoming classes. Then 1281, second attempt to invade Japan. Again it is failed. Second issue, paper money. Kublai Khan died, faction struggles, 1294. Then third issue of paper money. That means on those days paper money have started. Zhuo Yuanzhang's conquests, Yuan fell. This is about the Yuan dynasty, my dear friends, in the history, in the world history, particularly in the ancient world history. Mongol Empire, Genghis Khan dates